Welcome to Toys and RC. Recently, I challenged our community. What should be the next video for May? The response came in fast, and our subscriber, UN588, sent in a great suggestion I couldn't ignore. So today's video is a must-watch for anyone ready to pull the trigger. Don't buy an RC Baja buggy in 2026 before watching this. After researching across multiple sources and specialized websites, I've put together a list designed for different types of users. Whether you're looking for the best value, the most extreme performance, or that next-level scale realism, there's a model here for you. Quick note, this isn't a detailed review, but a strategic overview to help you choose your next machine. If you want deeper technical details, you'll find all the links in the description. And of course, if this helps you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Stay tuned, because I'll be launching the June suggestion post very soon. If you want your name and idea featured in the next video, drop your comment below. Let's get into the cars. Number 5. If you're thinking about buying an RC Baja buggy, one model consistently stands out: the HPI Baja 5B. This is a large-scale 1/5 buggy powered by a real gas engine, delivering strong performance, longer runtimes, and a much more authentic driving experience compared to typical electric models. The engine sound is real, adding to the overall immersion. It's built for extreme terrain, handling sand, dirt, and rough tracks with ease thanks to its durable construction and advanced suspension system. Another key advantage is maintenance. It's relatively easy to work on, making it a great choice for enthusiasts who enjoy tuning, upgrading, and customizing their vehicle over time. In short, if you're looking for realism, power, and a more hands-on RC experience, the HPI Baja 5B remains one of the most iconic options available. Number 4. If you're looking for XL size without destroying your bank account, you need to check out the Redcat Racing Shredder XTE. This 1/6 scale monster dominates terrain with its massive presence and surprising agility. The Shredder proves you don't need to spend a fortune to get a large-scale RC. Equipped with a powerful brushless system and 4S battery compatibility, it delivers explosive acceleration that outpaces much of the competition. Its structure is designed to be lightweight yet durable, allowing you to handle obstacles with impressive ease. It's the ideal choice for anyone looking to enter the large-scale RC world on a budget without sacrificing performance. With high traction tires and a low center of gravity, the Shredder provides a stable and fun driving experience on dirt, grass, and rough terrain. Redcat Shredder XTE. Giant size, solid performance, and one of the best value for fun options you'll find this year. Number 3. If you live for the thrill of speed and don't want to deal with maintenance after every jump, stop right there. The Arrma Mojave 6 SBLX isn't just an RC buggy, it's a force of nature in 1/7 scale. What truly sets this machine apart? First, pure speed. It can reach impressive speeds of up to 95 kilometers per hour. With the right setup, it doesn't just drive. It stays low and fast like it's flying. But speed without control is pointless. That's why Arrma built it with an ultra-durable structure. The anodized aluminum chassis and long travel suspension are engineered to handle extreme impacts. Whether you're sending big jumps or tackling rough terrain, the Mojave absorbs the punishment and keeps going. Designed for 6S batteries, it delivers the instant torque serious enthusiasts expect. If your goal is extreme durability combined with high-end performance, the Mojave 6S stands out as a top choice in 2026. Arrma Mojave, built for speed, engineered to take a beating. Number 2. If you don't settle for anything less than perfect looks combined with raw power, the Losi Super Baja Ray 2.0 takes things to the next level. This isn't just an RC, it's a 1/6 scale engineering replica that commands attention wherever it goes. The realism is officially licensed. It features a Brenthel trophy truck body, along with method wheels and BF Goodrich tires. But it's not just about looks. Under the hood, the Spectrum Firma 8S system delivers massive power, pushing past 80 kilometers per hour with impressive stability even on extreme terrain. Precision is where it truly stands out. Inspired by real Baja racing design, it maintains control at high speeds, while the 3 integrated LED light bars make night driving just as intense. It comes ready to run, so you can get started immediately. If you're looking for professional level performance with one of the most realistic designs on the market, the Super Baja Ray 2.0 is a top-tier choice for 2026. Losi, where realism meets absolute power. Number 1. The ultimate experience, the top spot belongs to the Traxxas UDR Unlimited Desert Racer. This isn't just the best of the year, it's a pro-scale engineering masterpiece. Unlike anything you've driven before, the UDR replicates the dynamics of a real desert racing truck. The rear 4-link suspension and solid axle work together with 8 GTR aluminum shocks to absorb rough terrain with precision and control. Beneath the highly detailed body, a durable tubular chassis protects the powerful VXL6S system, capable of pushing this machine beyond 80 kilometers per hour. The realism goes even further. It features a full cockpit with driver figures, functional spare tires, replicated brake discs, and a factory-installed LED system with over 200 light points. To keep everything under control, Traxxas Stability Management helps maintain stability during high-speed slides and aggressive driving. It also offers easy maintenance, a highly durable build, and real-time telemetry directly on your smartphone. If you want the perfect balance between extreme realism and raw performance, the Traxxas UDR stands as the final choice. Traxxas, the closest Baja experience to reality that money can buy. I hope this video has been helpful and has clarified some of your doubts. To get more information about the products, or to find out which one fits your budget, just click on the links in the descriptions. I don't mention the prices of the products because when you're watching the video, the prices may not match, as they vary depending on the time of year and can also go on sale. See you in the next video.